Okay. Is it a big box or is it a big box? What's in the big box? We'll soon find out here in a minute. I hope it doesn't start storming here, but we're going to see what's in this big box. Okay, guys. I'm behind this thing. So I hope you can see me okay. I'm as far out as I can go. This looks like we're going to get a storm here in a little bit. I'm outside on the picnic table. This thing's huge. Alright. So, we open the top cover. And, let me see what we can see. Oh my goodness. Oops. Let me top that. Bigger than what I thought. Dudes. Look at that, would ya? Huh? That's just one wing. I don't know if you can see it, but over here we've got connections already ready to roll. Get this off of here. We're going to get a closer look up at this thing. Real close up. Okay. You're ready. It's off of here. Get a close up. Oh boy. I don't know if you can see it, but man, this thing's got weathering everywhere. Look at this. This is the wing. Just one. Just the first one. Okay. And lights are installed. Got the one aileron here. Oh, we got the splitters here. Oh, spoilerons. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And the connections, look at that. Oh, this is, it's going bye-bye. Wheels, doors. I need to finagle those a little bit. And again, Fowler flaps. I mean, just like the real bird, dude. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's not a light wing either, man. It's all heavy all by its lonesome. All by its lonesome. Pretty big. Pretty big, big, big. Yeah, we got another piece of the puzzle right here. This is my hand. Well, big bad boy. Huge. Big piece right here. Target acquisition pod. Oh my goodness. Big, 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 big. Oh yeah, we got more stuff tucked away inside this box. I'll bet you I know what that is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. A lot of good packing material, let me tell you. A lot of good packing material. Bet you this in the cell. We're gonna have to get this bad boy out of here and check it out a lot closer. Check that out, eh? Look at that. More piece. One of the nacelles for the turbine. Look at all that weathering on there. Look at that. Attach points, carbon fiber rods. Good. And we got the get the right light here. We got that tail cone in there. Put the turbine in there. Look at that bad boy. I mean, just unbelievable. So obviously, this goes on the left side. Look at that. And then the turbine, just looking at it right here. Goes right in here. Right there, fellas. Look at that. Everything's already installed for you. You can put all the parts in there. That's locked in place. I'm sure the boozers are going to get the heck neato out of this, huh? Alright, moving right along. Next piece. Okay, we go with another piece. We got all the stuff that's going to be hanging off this bird. Check that out, eh? All weathered. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. I'm sure I'm going to have to do some work with these things. But hey. Real piece of work right there, let me tell you. It's awesome. Can't wait to get started. Okay, we just got a few of the rails right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I just temporarily attached. Oh yeah. The 9-inch rocket launcher here. Or 9 3/4, whatever that, I can't remember the nomenclature. But I know it's the rocket launcher. Imagine putting some simulated rockets in there. It's all the things that are on the wing. And it's all here. Unbelievable. Weathered. Everything. Can't wait to get into it and start building it. Yeah, the rain's coming. It's raining right now. It's a little damp out here. But just to get the pieces out and see what they look like. Oh yeah, I got 2 of these bad boys. Hellfire. Arms. Whatever you want to call them. I don't remember. I'm just so too excited right now getting this thing unpacked. So more ordnance. That whole ordnance package came with this airplane. Pretty sweet. Yeah, we got a few more rails for ordnance. Man, this thing's going to be something else when it's all said and done. I'll tell you. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah, more rails and more rails. Check that out for the AIM-9s. Right there. And rails for the rest of the goodies. Right there. Man, this is going to be bad. I mean, that weathering is just something else. Very, very cool. Now, here's the other nacelle. Yippers. Baby sweetness. We got the fan right there. Pretty cute, pretty cute, pretty cute. I mean, just check out the weathering. I don't know if you can see it very well. But yeah, weathering, whole enchilada. When I was taking this out of the plastic, a lot of static electricity. But I mean, Really. Just something else to behold, really. And then the exhaust, and it appears that it's on the angle just like it is in the full-size airplane. You can see the full-size jet angles up that way. Just phenomenal. Just man, can't believe it. I actually got this thing. Got a little breeze out here, so let's moving the fan around. Pretty sweet, man. Pretty sweet. Very, very cool. A few more pieces of the puzzle here. Wow. It's like the luggage carriers here. That's what it appears to be. Got two of those. So, man, just keeps on getting better, keeps on keeping on, right? Alright. Alright, fellas, here's the right wing wingy dingy. All the same stuff, weathering. Man, this thing's heavy. Real heavy. Nice spot for the pitot tube right there. Pitot tube. Lift here. All that kind of good stuff. Landing gear. It's electric. Got some electric brakes up in there. I mean, heavy duty connections all the way through and through. And this weathering is just phenomenal. Check that weathering out. Just unreal. All the way through. T1 model's A10. Thing's huge. Even on the nose step. A lot of smudge marks and so on. Place for the wing tube.